Ramesh, I have taken your point. Next time, solution is something you know.
It will backfire on us. It will be just mockery.
The water scarcity is aggravated because of the swimming pools. So we have decided to reject such plans. So those approvals which will come henceforth under 39A, those have to be rejected.
Ram Sabha has taken a resolution that not to request the town planning not to permit zone changes unless that there is proper water supply to the locals, to the domestic users. I have opposed grant of and release of water supply for swimming pools, including their construction.
पण आता रेंट ठेकेदारांचे एक रेंट तरी आमकां येवंक जाय वर्साक आनी ते आपली जबाबदारी घेतली कोण बिराडां घेता तेंची.
ही पंचायत आमची नंबर 1 पंचायत म्हणून वयता पूण जे प्रॉब्लम आमचे आहाय न्हू तेय बी आयज गोंयभर नंबर 1 लेवलाचेर आहा. आमी तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केल्या हे जितले पळय बॉडीज आहा पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड जावं PDA जावं आनी तांचे आमचे डिस्कशन जावपा जाय बिकॉज दे हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड आमचे सेंटिमेंट्स ऑफ द विलेजेस.
कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटीचे 2018 आमी लागल्या फाटल्यान पूण तेंचे कडेन ते सक्सेसच जायना.
And they'll be the sufferers. So it is in the interest of the panchayat to take care of the local people.
पंचायतीन जितले STP चलता पळय प्लीज चेक करा आणि रिपोर्ट दिया. STP मेंटेन करा because now it is becoming a major problem in our panchayat. So we don't want to create that unhygienic condition in our village.